Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Aarsun. Today I have a dressing table for you with a mirror frame, a complete dresser for the women of the house, a very nice unit, very fine carved, and a very beautiful design. Something which complements the stature of the queen of the house. Something like this, if you have, this is a royal structure, royal unit. And let me show you from here first. This is the complete unit. This dressing is 3 feet high from the ground, that is 36 inches. Left to right, this is 5 feet, that is 60 inches. And the total height along with the frame is 6.5 feet. So approx 80 inches is the height. Now, when we have something like this, it matches your bedroom. Along with this, if you have a royal bed and other items in the bedroom that are in royal color, something like this is really beautiful, really a must-have. You should have at your place. Along with this, we have this sitting chair, a low height sitting chair that is mostly required when your lady at the house wants to sit and dress up. This has got 4 drawers. 2 on each side. And the design speaks for itself. This is in teak wood, antique gold paint. Now, color of this unit can be changed as per requirement. If you look for wooden finish, that can be provided. If you are looking for other copper or silver or white with gold, off-white with gold, or simple white or off-white colors, that can also be done for this unit. When we talk about the quality of Aarsun, these things define what we are making, and we are not making these for ourselves. Clients are ordering such items, such beautiful things, and we are making these units for them. In the last 200 plus videos, I have shown you so many designs, and every other day I am getting demand for better designs that we are making for the clients, and our testimonials is a proof that how happy the clients are with our work. We are getting clients from all over India and across the globe. People are visiting our factory also, and we are delivering to their homes across the globe. This one in particular is going to US with the entire home unit, home furniture with a bed and dresser, along with the wardrobes and multiple other stuff we have along with this unit. So it's a complete home setup we have. I'll show you in further videos all the items that we are making for this client. For the time, this is the unit, a very fine, nicely carved, nicely painted golden deco in antique finish dresser for you. I'm sure you'll like this, completely made in India with the local artisans. Thank you.